Hello again, this is Larry Brown. I just want to thank you for just signing in here. I want to tell you the number one secret to this law, basically a natural law. Well, natural law is the number one secret that it just functions. Gravity always works, and this process in broken relationships. There's this reoccurring thing. Someone you love will do the thing you hate. So you learn to forgive the one you hated, and this process, it just functions in our lives. It's just the way it is. I'll be telling you stories about people who got caught by this law, this creational law that gets caught in addictive behavior. They're doing things they don't want to do and don't like to do, or someone they love is doing things that they don't want to do or don't like. And so this process is, we all go through it. We're all the same. We're on the same playing field. None of us are above anybody else. We all do the same thing. And this process is what I want to talk about. I want to talk about how it works, how we got caught, and how learning from each other is about the only way that we get out of this process, is learning to repair these broken relationships is a learned process. And to understand all this is when gravity just is gravity. I mean, there's nothing you can do about it. There's other laws in this universe. Gravity. Like if you have a big hunk of metal, it can't fly. But if you take that piece of metal and shape it, put wings on it or motors, and put a little gasoline with it and stuff like that, and then obey some laws of physics, and now this is obeying laws of physics, and you start doing the thrust, and you throw a bunch of people in a piece of metal, and you call it an airplane, and it takes off the ground, and it flies, and gravity seems to be disconnected in the process, but gravity is still functioning. It's just that there's other laws that have overrode it, and the obedience to these laws, and so this process of that I'm going to be talking to you about is, and the best way to do it is to illustrate people's stories about how they got caught and what's been happening to them, and the solution, how to get free, and stuff like that. And so that's really what this I got 7 more secrets that video that's going to be a DVD that I'll be sending to you. If you're interested in this or not, it's up to you. I appreciate the opportunity to offer this to you. So if you're interested in 7 more secrets to broken relationships and how to repair them, how to recognize what's going on, how to evaluate what's happening, just sign your name and all the information, and you pay the shipping, and you pay the shipping and handling, and then I'll send you the DVD. And I just thank you for coming. Looking to see you later. I have some, as a bonus, I have some videos that I've put together that's related to the same subject that I'll email them to you and let you evaluate them or delete them or whatever you want to do. Anyway, thank you so much. Bye.